In India, where there is no shortage of excuses to have a cup of tea, it is critical for Indians to be aware of the ingredients used. Tea is a healthy beverage in and of itself, but once you add sugar cubes, it starts to lose its nutritional value. Thankfully, there are a variety of ways to make your tea sipping experience healthier. You don't have to search any further than your own kitchen cabinet. Yes, you heard us correctly. The pantry of an Indian is filled with a variety of spices that provide a variety of health benefits. Cloves are an example of such a spice. The blackish, brown, aromatic pod has long been a mainstay of Ayurvedic Kadha in India, and there are many of reasons why you should start using it in your regular diet as well. Health benefits of clove. Cloves are high in antioxidants, which help us fight free radical damage and improve our immunity. Clove oil is a good source of eugenol, a chemical found in cloves. Cloves' potent germicidal capabilities help in the treatment of toothaches, painful gums, and ulcers. Cloves also have antibacterial, antiviral, and antimicrobial effects. Anti-inflammatory substances aid in the recovery of sore throats, colds, coughs, and headaches. Clove contains eugenol, which aids digestion and is essential for efficient weight loss. Clove also aids in the natural acceleration of metabolism. Cloves may assist you have lovely skin by fighting free radical activity. The winter spice may also aid with blood sugar regulation. Cloves' hypoglycemic effects on diabetic rats were investigated in a study published in journal Natural Medicine, with promising results. One amazing way to reap benefits of cloves is by brewing it in tea. To make clove tea, follow these steps. 1. Grind 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. 2. Pour a cup of water into a pan, then add the cloves and bring to a boil. 3. Soak it for 3 to 4 minutes. 4. Let it cool, strain, and serve. Notes. You can sweeten your tea with a teaspoon of honey if desired. To get the most out of this tea, drink it first thing in the morning. Remember that too much of anything can be harmful to your health. Where to buy cloves? Cloves can be found in small jars in the spice section of the supermarket. You will see both the whole cloves and ground cloves. But you might be able to find them offered for a lower cost in the Hispanic food section, where they are labeled as clavos de olor, or simply clavos. International grocery stores also often sell cloves for far less than you will them in the supermarket. Some specialty markets offer Penang cloves, which are gourmet cloves that are individually selected by hand to ensure that each one is flawlessly shaped. How to store cloves? Cloves should be stored in an airtight container, preferably in a cool and dark place. Whole cloves will retain their potency longer than ground cloves, remaining fresh for about a year compared to 3 months for ground cloves. Potential side effects of cloves. Avoid clove, in case of these circumstances. Pregnant women or children must avoid too much consumption of cloves. People with liver problems should also stay away from this spice. Eugenol in cloves is shown to slow blood clotting and can cause bleeding. That's why it must be avoided by people who suffer from bleeding disorders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.